Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
District Tuberculosis Officer jong West Jaiñtia Hills lingba ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program kalarkhi ya ka World Tuberculosis Day halor ka phang Yes We Can End TB lania Haoid ngila bat Pynduh ya ka Jingpang TB hakani ka jingalang ka balalong ka Khimusiang Indoor Sports Hall Jowai la sakhi lang daga Additional Deputy Commissioner jong West Jaiñtia Hills District ka kong HML kanta ka balalong kong kong san ki khana school ba kino hikai nagi school ba pher jong ka district lamba gi doctor gi ba kunthub ya ka Senior Medical and Health Officer DTC Jowai ka Dr. I Kriam ka District Tuberculosis Officer jong ka Jaiñtia Hills ka Dr. EBV Lalu hakani ka singi la samru ki khusnam se ki khana school ki balai shimanta haki jinga ko ba pher ba gi nong trai asha ba gi nong trai jong ka tana ka kot khya ki bala trai shitom banya khuntma persha ya ka Jingpang TB Hashwa kani ki khana school gile shimanta ka Jaiñtia rally kabala sedang nama dan dai masi la thelabo bat penkot pat haplau jong ka Indoor Sports Hall Khimusiang
It still continues to be a major public health challenge. TB is a silent killer and TB remains one of the worst deadliest infectious killers. Each day, close to 4,400 people lost their lives to TB. And close to 30,000 people fall ill with TB around the world. That is, they fall ill from this preventable and curable disease. And the global efforts to fight TB have saved an estimated 74 million lives since the year 2000. The theme for this year, World TB Day, is Yes, We Can End TB. Yes, we can end TB. This theme, it brings attention to TB and that it is in our collective efforts and power to end TB by 2023, 2030 and therefore reach the Sustainable Development Goals. However, India under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, he has made a clarion calls to eliminate TB from India by the year 2025. That is 5 years ahead of the global target. So if we see, we have just nearly 2 years left and there's so much that needs to be done if we want to achieve this target to end TB.
We should observe this day, World Tuberculosis Day, by creating an awareness and also by learning what are the preventive measures that we as individuals and also as a community, what can we do? We are very fortunate today that we have able and efficient doctors, we have medical practitioners, laboratories, hospitals that we are able to treat this dreaded disease. So I would like to take this opportunity today to thank all our doctors, our nurses. I've just heard from our TB champions, Ms. Preni Power and Ms. Newly Born Suma. Patients play a very important role in fighting this disease. We can see their sense of responsibility when they take their medicines on time or as per the prescriptions of their doctors. And also as patients, they need to get themselves tested regularly as advised by their doctors so that they can, and also they have to go for a follow-up so that they can know that they have been cured of this disease. Now, apart from patients, we as a community, we also need to come together to fight this disease. And the number one way we can do that, which is the most simple thing, is cleanliness. Cleanliness is a necessary part of health. And the only way we can achieve this is if the community actively participates. So we need to come together
by talking, by sneezing, and by coughing. So all of us should know the cough etiquette. As students, I think we are taught how to cough also, because when we cough, sometimes we just open the mouth and we do not close our mouth. Okay? So we breathe in and out the air. So in case we take out the air that has the bacilli, this bacilli will go to the lungs, and then slowly and slowly they will multiply and develop into a disease. So what is the difference between infection and disease? When we say infection, that means we only have a bacilli. So you should know whether an infection can cause a disease or not. Infection does not cause a disease. Why? Because if your immune system is strong, you can fight against the bacilli. But then if your immune system is not good or not strong, that means you are able to get the disease. Okay? So there's a difference between infection and disease. I think if we have to do the test, all of us must have had the bacilli inside us, but then we do not have the disease. Because why? We have immune system that is strong, so we can fight against it, so we do not develop the disease. Then what are the tests that we have to do for TB? So in our district, we have the microscopic EMC, that is the designated microscopic center, where we can do the test through a microscope. And then we have to collect the sputum with the two containers, the morning sample and the spot sample. So this sample we have to bring to the DMC and do the test. So we are lucky in West Jaiñtia, we are almost having the DMC in all the PNC, CNC, except one or two we don't have. Okay? So everyone can do the test freely. And then we have the NAT test, which is the TrueNAT and the CBNAT. So the NAT test we are having on the blocks. So the blocks that are having the TrueNAT test are DTC, that is District Tuberculosis Center, which falls under Lasling block. And then we have the TrueNAT at Lasling, in Lasling block. And then Pynduh in Pynduh block. And then Sultanat CLC, Saigon block. Okay? But Amaran we don't have, but hopefully we will be having it soon. And then the CBNAT test we have only in our office, that is District Tuberculosis Center. So both these tests are very costly if you go to the private sector. So in the private hospital, you do have to pay around 2,000 or 3,000 for the test. But then if you come to our government sector, you will not have to pay a price also. So please know that the sign and symptom when you get, and then you go and do your test in our public sector.
Second, Mr. Jingpang. And the winner of the race is Mr. Jaiñtia for her participation. Forget. Let's take a few rounds of applause. Fourth is Jaiñtia. Third is Jingpang. Second is Jaiñtia. Those is more what you learn. Second, Jaiñtia has been beautiful design. And in the first competition in Dhaka, Ms. Dhaka Vishwanathan from Golden Girls Higher Secondary School, Goa. Thank you. From Jingpang.